Hello, this is Ramesh from the Ace Micromatic Group. These are tough, uncertain times. We all have many questions and no certain answers. None of us are sure about when this would end, perhaps 3 more weeks. And even after it ends, perhaps it's not going to be like it normally was. So we at Ace Micromatic are using this time, again trying to work with customers to help them shut down their machines properly so that they are ready when they get back to work. We are also doing a lot of internal learning and equipping ourselves so that we are ready for new ways of interacting and working with our customers when we do get back. And I believe this is something that every one of us should do. We will successfully come out of this, but when we do, it's going to be different. So how well we use this time to equip ourselves to serve our customers, working differently, because that is something certain that's going to happen, is what I believe we should be using this time to do. Thank you.